Hello everyone and welcome. If there's one era that screams pure opulence and glamour, it's the roaring 20s. Whether you're off to a Gatsby-themed soiree or just fancy a bit of vintage flair, here are 15 jaw-dropping hair and makeup looks to try. Classic finger waves and deep berry lips. Nothing says flapper fabulous like a sculpted finger wave paired with a rich, dark berry lip. Add a touch of soft brown eyeshadow and a feline flick for drama. Bobbed perfection with Cupid's bow lips. A blunt bob with structured curls and those iconic 1920s lips, rounded and exaggerated in the center, will have you looking straight out of The Great Gatsby. Sleek, low bun and smoky eyes. If you prefer understated elegance, a tight low bun with a smoky eye and nude lips is your go-to look. Think Jordan Baker vibes. Pin curls and classic red lip. Old school Hollywood meets Gatsby with glossy pin curls and the boldest red lip you can find. Add some faux beauty marks for extra drama. Marcel waves with glittering headpiece. Marcel waves are deeper and more defined than finger waves, and when paired with an ornate headpiece, you'll look every bit the Gatsby socialite. Soft waves and gold-toned makeup. For a modern twist on the 1920s look, keep your waves soft and opt for a gold-toned eyeshadow with a sheer shimmery lip. Perfect for a fresh take on Gatsby glam. Braided updo with dramatic coal eyes. A braided updo with a centre part gives an aristocratic elegance, while coal-rimmed eyes add just the right amount of rebellion. Side-parted finger waves and glossy lips. Keeping it sleek with a deep side part and high-shine finish, this look is all about elegance and simplicity. Half-up finger waves and bejeweled accessories. If you want the best of both worlds, opt for a half-up style with finger waves at the front and cascading curls at the back, finished with a jeweled comb. Tousled bob with smoky silver shadow. Messier bobs weren't as common in the 20s, but they're a stunning update to the classic. Add a touch of silver shimmer for a modern Gatsby look. Structured chignon and bold brows. A neat structured chignon exudes high-class sophistication, while strong defined brows keep it edgy and modern. Tight finger waves and dark vampy lipstick. Go full-on femme fatale with ultra-tight waves and a deep, almost black lip shade. Mysterious and utterly captivating. Soft curls and glitter. Eyeshadow. For an ethereal take on Gatsby glam, opt for soft curls and dab some glitter onto your eyelids for an otherworldly glow. Curled faux bob and rosy cheeks. If you don't fancy chopping your hair, create a faux bob with pinned curls. A flush of pink on the cheeks keeps it youthful and romantic. Fluffy curls and winged eyeliner. More voluminous curls add a softer, bouncier feel to the usual Gatsby styles. Pair with exaggerated winged liner for extra drama. 15 stunning Great Gatsby-inspired hair and makeup looks to bring out your inner Daisy Buchanan or Jordan Baker. If you're aiming for sultry, soft, or all-out showgirl glamour, there's a style here to suit. Now go forth, grab that red lipstick, and channel your inner flapper queen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which look you'll be trying first.